Imagine getting back 10 full hours of your week, every single week, without working harder or spending money. In 2026, the right free AI tools can do exactly that. Today on Logic Vise, I'm revealing the best AI tools that are actually saving me and thousands of other students, developers, and professionals massive amounts of time. Stick with me till the end because I'll also share my personal productivity stack that combines these tools into powerful workflows. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Logic Vise, your go-to channel for practical AI tools that help you work smarter. I'm your channel name. In this in-depth video, we're going to explore 18 powerful free AI tools across different areas of life and work. For each tool, I'll show you exactly how it saves time, real-world examples, honest limitations, and pro tips to get maximum value from the free plan. If you're a student, developer, freelancer, content creator, or small business owner, this video is made for you. Let's dive in and start reclaiming your time. Tool 1, Claude by Anthropic. Starting with what I consider the strongest all-rounder. In 2026, Claude. Many users who switch to Claude report never going back. It handles long context tasks exceptionally well. How it saves time. You can upload entire documents, research papers, or code bases and get structured analysis in minutes instead of hours. Best for technical writing, coding, deep reasoning, summarizing long content. Real example. A developer uploads their messy 2,000-line code base and asks Claude to refactor it and explain improvements. Work that used to take 4 to 5 hours now takes 15 minutes. Free plan tip. Claude 3.5 Sonnet has very generous daily limits. Use projects feature to organize different workspaces. Limitation, slightly slower during peak hours. Tool 2, ChatGPT, OpenAI. ChatGPT remains incredibly versatile. Best for quick brainstorming, writing first drafts, learning new concepts, and general tasks. Pro tip, set custom instructions once and save hours on repetitive prompts. Combine it with voice mode for hands-free brainstorming while walking. Tool 3, Perplexity AI. Stop wasting time switching between Google and ChatGPT. Perplexity gives cited, up-to-date answers instantly. Time saved. Research that used to take 30 to 45 minutes now takes 2 to 3 minutes. Best for fact-checking, academic research, market research, staying updated. Tool 4, Gemini by Google. If you use Gmail, Docs, or Drive, Gemini integrates seamlessly. It can summarize long email threads, analyze spreadsheets, or turn meeting notes into action items automatically. Tool 5, NotebookLM. This is a game changer for students and researchers. Upload all your notes, PDFs, and lecture recordings. NotebookLM turns them into an interactive knowledge base. It can generate study guides, quiz questions, timelines, and even audio podcasts from your materials. Tool 6, Gamma.app. Create professional presentations, reports, or web pages in under 5 minutes. Just describe what you need. Gamma handles layout, images, and design. Perfect for students and freelancers who previously spent hours in PowerPoint. Tool 7, Notion AI. If you already use Notion, enable AI. It writes meeting summaries, generates database entries, brainstorms ideas, and turns messy notes into structured pages. Tool 8, ElevenLabs, free tier. High-quality AI voice generation. Content creators can produce narration for videos or podcasts in minutes instead of recording for hours. Tool 9, Leonardo AI. Generate professional images, thumbnails, and visuals in seconds. Great for YouTubers, marketers, and designers who used to spend hours searching stock photos or hiring freelancers. Tool 10, CapCut AI Suite. Auto captions, background removal, effects, music suggestions, and script-to-video features. As a faceless creator, this tool alone can cut your editing time in half. Tool 11, Canva Magic Studio. AI design tools that remove backgrounds, generate images from text, suggest layouts, and write copy. Tool 12, Cursor. The AI-powered code editor that feels like pair programming with an expert. It can edit entire files based on natural language instructions. Tool 13, Hugging Face. Access and experiment with thousands of open-source models for free. Tool 14, Ollama. Run powerful LLMs locally on your computer. completely private and free with no usage limits. Section 5. Automation and Workflows. 25:30, 29:00. Tool 15, N8N. Build complex automations between apps without coding or with minimal coding. The self-hosted free version is unlimited. Tool 16 to 18, Bonus Quick Wins. DeepL for fast, natural translations. Perplexity plus NotebookLM combo for research. Claude plus N8N for automated reporting workflows. My recommended daily stack. Claude plus Perplexity for thinking. NotebookLM for knowledge. N8N for automation. Leonardo plus CapCut for content. These tools combined realistically save 8 to 15 hours per week once you build the habits. If this video helped you discover tools that will save you time, please hit the like button, subscribe to Logic Vise, and turn on notifications. Comment below, which tool are you going to try first this week? Or tell me what you want next, more automation workflows, AI coding projects, or student-specific tools. Thank you for watching. Stay productive, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll build a complete AI-powered workflow together.